Sitting on your own, mind is getting blown, word and you alone. Praying every day that anger and hate start slipping away. Hear messages are clear, release all the fear that you hold dear. Lie without asking why, years keep slipping by, accepting you'll die. Was blind, you should be ashamed. Is it past time to try and change things? The damages are done. And who has time for crying rains when the bandages are gone? Yeah, you'll have to turn the world upside down to dump all this baggage out. If you're willing to unzip every bag to find whatever you're angry about. Inside my head, I can't stop this insanity that life instead it becomes inhumanity, hardening clay that was soft from my avalanche. Running away without freedom of circumstance. You can't play the victim, then get mad when things don't go your way. Lacking basic wisdom, cause you had everything anyway. You can't be happy just hoping you need to read the signs. So make it snappy, stop moping, everything will be just fine. Tomorrows to struggle through the days. How much forgiveness can I borrow? How much time can I give away? It may just be an old saying, but I promise it's not a lie. God is always right there waiting if you give him one more try. Inside my head, I can't stop this insanity that life instead it becomes inhumanity, hardening clay that was soft from my avalanche. Running away without freedom of circumstance. You can't play the victim, then get mad when things don't go your way. Lacking basic wisdom, cause you had everything anyway. You can't be happy just hoping you need to read the signs. So make it snappy, stop moping, everything will be just fine. Now quit that moping around crying. Should ask God for help a long time ago.